Assalamualaikum. Hi there, I'm Dr. Zarin, and today I'm excited to share with you the Fun Learning Model. Fun, which stands for Focus, Unforgettable and Nurturing, is designed to make learning more engaging and effective. In today's fast-paced world, traditional teaching method often fails to keep the students engaged. Do you know that the average attention span for people nowadays is only 8 minutes? Hi. Sorry. Where was I again? Long lectures and passive learning method creates engagement gap. The lack of soft skill development are also common issues. This is especially challenging in fields like artificial intelligence, where understanding complex concepts and applying them practically is crucial. Fun breaks down complex topics, make learning memorable and interactive, and nurtures a supportive environment where students can thrive both academically and emotionally. Fun is made up of 3 components: focus, unforgettable, and nurturing. Lecture and activities are focused to a specific topic. Interactive and unforgettable activities like game shows and escape rooms keep the students engaged. Activities such as debates nurture students' soft skills and build their confidence. The impact of the fun model has been significant. Throughout its implementation, students achieve more than 93% of learning objectives 2 and 3, where there are multiple semesters when the achievement is 100%. Let's hear from 2 of our students on their experience.
My name is Lai Yuan and Dr. Zarin was my lecturer. The most thing that I like about her class is that she always made the class interesting. Let us to answer the quiz, complete the task. I still remember one time that doctor let us to find the card with tasks that was hidden in the lab and let us to complete it in group. I think that in this way we can better understanding about the syllabus.
Hi everyone, my name is Izatul Hanani Kamaruniza. Dr. Zarin taught me an artificial intelligence course and I really appreciate the effort that Dr. Zarin gave to her students, since the learning method that she applied were really creative and really effective in capturing her students' attention and attracting them to comprehend the subject.
Well, that's a little bit about the fun model. Hope you've gained something beneficial from it. Applying fun can be a game changer by making learning a truly enjoyable and enhancing experience. Like Dale Carnegie once said, people rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they're doing. So come on, let's have fun. Thank you.